This video is meant to be a quick PSA on why you should not use AI generated media, whether it may be a painting, a voice, a text, or anything else. AI steals. In December 31st, 2023, a viral tweet by John Lan showed that Midjourney has been purposefully trained on specific artists. These images show a discussion between Midjourney developers talking about the stolen art and the laundering of art off of the artist. These photos and the document of thousands of names are being used in a lawsuit against Midjourney itself. AI is expensive. Even though currently the costs of AI are not reflected on the user side, the daily costs of running these tools are massive. Companies are prepared to make a loss on their investment, something quite common for any new endeavor, and especially for a new market. The whole point is to get the companies using AI used to their new toy, and then raise the price just enough. By the way, there's also a water and a carbon cost that comes with AI, and of course, an energy cost. This technology is actively damaging the planet. AI affects jobs. These generative AI tools, which are mostly sold to huge companies like Disney and Square Enix, at prices that would be considered extreme to you and me, are meant to cut costs in the long term. How? By firing people. Generally, companies are more than happy to replace their workers, which wouldn't be such a pivotal matter of complaint here had these AI models been created and developed ethically. Late-stage capitalism problems often come from a mix of blind greed and mismanagement. AI sucks. Paintings, voice lines, chatbots, even though all of these things can be created using AI, none of them can get to the level of quality of a human production. Images only work if you merely glance at it. Generated voice work can mimic real inflection. Chatbots are weird. You are either replacing real people or simply giving life to characters, but in ways Frankenstein would frown upon. This entire time I refrained from talking about AI-generated stories and scripts because it's so bad, so useless, incapable of any real development or any sort of continuity that I sincerely believe only an idiot could fathom replacing the writers. People, you don't need AI for ideas. Writers, you don't need AI for character design. A voice actor should not be generating art. An artist should not be redrawing AI. The least you generate, the least you use and address the utility of these tools, the better for all of us. The industry is unsustainable as it is. Don't allow it to grow. Before I end the video, I wanna say, the only reason ChatGPT may replace a search engine in certain cases is because of search engines becoming worse and worse as each year goes by, but that's a subject for another essayist. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, but more importantly, share this video, especially with people who aren't really keeping up with AI. I already have a video about ethically trained AI in the making. See ya!